you looking for the best 3D laser level? Well, we've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. By the way, if y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking up that for me right there. So it does come in this nice carrying case right here. This thing looks awesome if you got to take this out on the job. It's got a nice big beefy handle right there. I can easily get my fingers through there. Even if I were to have work gloves on under there, I'd still be able to get my hand through there. That is awesome. Hold on. That thing is 4.5 inches of space right here to be able to get your fingers into. That's awesome. All right, let's open this thing on up. And let's see, we've got a push and pull. Push and pull. Push. Oh, wait. Hang on. Oh, got it. There's a spring on the inside right there. So you got to push that in and then pull up. I actually really like that because it's going to stay locked in. And it clicks whenever it's shut to let you know that it's locked in. Okay, that's very cool. Let's open this on up. Oh, man, this is a very nice case right here. First of all, got the nice eggshell over here to keep everything nice, not jumbling up everywhere. Keeps everything safe. And then you have all your pieces laid out with a spot for each single piece in here, which is awesome as well. Of course, you got your glasses right here if you need to put on some of those. Helps you see the laser a little bit better. Looks super cool. They go around all the way to the 360 to hit your peripherals right here. So this is green all the way around for me. This right here is going to be your main unit right here. You got a couple of buttons on the top right there to be able to power it on and then turn on your horizontal and your vertical lines. I think that, yeah, look, right here. Looks like we have a battery compartment right there, so we need to figure out where the battery is. But it also has this little guy. Whoa, look, that's a magnet. You got, let's see. Activate the pulse mode on the laser level before using the receiver. If you are using a laser level from a different brand, please ensure that its pulse frequency is 10 kilohertz. This receiver is not compatible with rotary laser levels. So they do give you the receiver right here. It sounds like it's compatible with other ones as well, but it gives you all of your data right here on this little guy on the back here. Open that up. That's going to be the compartment for those 2 AA batteries that they give you in the case. Love that they give you those so you don't have to worry about trying to find out, you got to order more and all that type of stuff. You got them right there. Boom. Let's see, you got a little mount right here. Awesome. This is another mount right here. Let's let you kind of be able to dial it in using the little twister on the side right there to go up and down. So I like that. Another little clamp right here. So if you want to clamp it in, you can do that. All right. Oh, it's got a little remote right there, so you can easily control it from afar. Very easy to read. Big letters on there, big emblems. You can easily just simply press it. It's got a little blue light that lights up on the top right there to let you know that it's working. Horizontal, vertical, and then brightness. Awesome. So right here is going to be your battery charger. Looks like it's got a USB-C port on the back side right there. And it also has a USB-A to just a regular plug right there if you wanted to be able to just simply plug it in, to plug in this, to be able to get your cord going right there. And this right here is the cord that's going to come with it. Again, USB-A to USB-C. So very easy to get that up and connected. Your cord length right here, you're looking at a solid, we'll call that about a 4-foot cord right there. So that's great. Let's see, this is going to plug right on into there. This is going to plug right on into there. Yeah, that works very easy. We'll get some power to that. Got a little grid right there if you need that. Has a little stand on the back. 2 batteries. Number 1, number 2, come all nice and wrapped up right there. And then you, of course, you have your instruction manuals right here. You have a laser line brightness guide. There is the user's manual. And then there's the the DR1 Professional User's Manual right there. This one was the self-leveling plain laser level right there. So they give you everything that you need right there to be able to figure out how this thing works. All right, let's see. Let me open up these little battery packs. We're going to need that Mike Vance knife again. Let me grab that bad boy so we can open these things on up. Did I get it? Yeah, I got it. Awesome. Okay. So first, let's go ahead and cradle it into here. Let's see. There's my contacts right there. Okay, so you just kind of drop it down on in, it looks like that. Let's see. We need some dad power. Go ahead and get that on in. We'll plug this bad boy on in right here. And yep, we got a little light that kicked on right there. It's showing that it's red, which means that it's charging. I'm going to assume that it's going to go like blue or green whenever it's fully charged. So that's cool. Awesome that that works really well. Very easy to get the battery in. Let's grab this guy right here. You know what? Let's just take this one. Let's see, my contacts are right there. So this is going to drop in. Look, they have a little arrow to show you which way it goes in. This is a lithium-ion battery pack. Drop that right on in. Close that right on up. Let's see, you have a lock on the side right here, locking and unlocking. Oh, look, this is cool too. If you don't want to use the battery and you want to run it off of power, it's got a USB-C thing right there on the side. Or that might charge the battery inside the unit. I don't know. I'm not too sure exactly which one it'll do, but that's super cool. There's a look at all the housing right here for your lasers. You have one here, and then one over here on this side as well. See if we can has enough juice to fire this thing on. Oh, there we go. Hey, look at that. We got lasers. That's super cool. Okay. I'm pressing. There's a slider on here that shows lock and unlock. I'm not too sure exactly what that does, but I'm noticing that it turns off and on the lasers. So this right here, look. So it beeps whenever it's not straight. I've used one of these things before, and I was like, the first time I used it, I was like, what is that beeping? And then I realized what it was. So you do need to mount it on something. And you can see the little lasers in there, like wiggling on a, what do you call it, an axis of some sort. And so you need to be able to get it nice and straight. Let's see, let's put it down on here on the table. I want to test out this little remote as well. Turn off the horizontal, turn on the horizontal, turn on the vertical, turn off the vertical, and you can go all, whether it's this way or this way. So super cool. Brightness. Okay. I think there's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's 3 different brightness settings on there. And I'm assuming this is the pulsing thing that's going to be used with that receiver maybe. This little guy right there. Very easy to use, like right out of the box. I mean, I plugged in the battery, popped the thing on, and then I was able to get lasers all around. Wow. So I can see the laser all the way across the room over there. This is like a 20-foot room, and I can see it like clear as day. That's amazing. And I've got windows over there like shining onto that. And so it's not like it's a dark area over there. That's impressive. I can see it all the way around, like even on the curtains of the window, through the doors, on the panes. That is amazing. That thing is bright. Wow. All right. Well, that's exciting. Yeah, if y'all are looking for an excellent 3D laser level, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these right here. This thing looks fantastic. Very easy to operate. Very easy to kind of figure out how everything works all in one go. I do need to figure out this little guy right here, so I'm gonna play around with this and then I'll report back to you guys. But it's got the little level on there and whatnot. Of course, it's gonna have a screen right here. So if y'all are looking for an excellent laser level, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these right here. I am impressed with what I'm seeing. And y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that oval right there. Definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for us. Y'all go and add this to your cart if this is something that you want. I believe that they make this in a few different models as well. So if you want to see everything that they have, definitely go and check out the product listing below. And they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and get the one that's going to be the best for the job that you're trying to do. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. And dead out.